Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking vegetable stew with fish. So put on your apron and let's get started. It's ready and we'll be enjoying it with rice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Leave your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now, available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.